Have you ever stopped to consider the rate of our current energy consumption and what it means for the future of our planet? As we go about our daily lives, we often overlook the fact that almost everything we do requires energy. From the lights that illuminate our homes to the devices that keep us connected to the world, energy is the invisible force that powers our lives. But this isn't without its consequences. Our reliance on fossil fuels has resulted in environmental degradation, climate change, and a looming energy crisis. The burning question then becomes, how do we meet our growing energy needs without compromising the health of our planet? The answer lies in tapping into the power of renewable energy. These sources, unlike their non-renewable counterparts, are clean, abundant, and you guessed it, renewable. They provide a sustainable solution to the energy conundrum we currently face. But what exactly is renewable energy, and how does it work? Renewable energy is energy collected from resources replenished naturally on a human timescale. Imagine harnessing the power of the sun, the wind, flowing water, and the very heat from beneath our feet. Solar power, a radiant light and heat from the sun, is captured using a range of ever-evolving technologies like solar heating, photovoltaics, and solar thermal energy. It's clean, abundant, and incredibly versatile. Wind power, on the other hand, converts the breeze that rustles the leaves into electricity using wind turbines. It's a powerful force that's been used for centuries, now modernized for our needs. Hydropower taps into the energy of moving water, using dams and turbines to generate electricity. It's a tried-and-true method that's been powering our world for generations. And don't forget geothermal energy, which leverages the Earth's natural heat from its core. It's consistently available, regardless of weather or time of day. These energy sources are no longer the stuff of science fiction, but are rapidly becoming our reality. Innovations in the field of renewable energy are happening at an unprecedented pace. The quest for sustainable and clean power sources has led to some truly remarkable advancements. Let's delve into a couple of these exciting developments. First off, let's talk about solar skins. These are essentially photovoltaic cells that are integrated into building materials. Imagine a world where every building, every home, every structure can generate its own power. That's the potential of solar skins. The skins can be seamlessly blended into the design of a building, making it almost invisible. This technology takes the concept of solar power to a whole new level. It's not just about harnessing the sun's energy. It's about integrating that power source into the very fabric of our built environment. Next up, we have floating wind turbines. Traditionally, wind turbines have been land-based structures, limited by the availability of suitable locations. But with floating wind turbines, we can harness wind energy on the open ocean, where wind speeds are typically higher and more consistent. These turbines are anchored to the seabed and can be placed in deep waters, opening up vast new areas for wind energy production. This innovation could significantly increase the global potential for wind power. Both of these technologies, solar skins and floating wind turbines, exemplify the innovative spirit driving the renewable energy sector. They show us that the possibilities are not just about replacing traditional energy sources, but also about reimagining how we generate and use power in our daily lives. Yet, like any developing technology, renewable energy faces its own set of challenges. But the beauty of innovation is that it thrives on challenges, turning them into opportunities for advancement and growth. As we move forward, these innovations are not just shaping the future of renewable energy, but also redefining our relationship with the environment and the planet. While renewable energy holds immense promise, it also presents some significant hurdles. At the top of the list of challenges is storage. Renewable energy is not always available when we need it most. The sun doesn't shine at night, and the wind doesn't always blow. So the question is, how do we store the energy produced during peak times for use when production is low? The answer lies in developing efficient, large-scale storage systems. However, creating such systems is easier said than done. The second challenge is efficiency. Renewable energy sources, such as wind and solar, are less energy-dense compared to traditional fossil fuels. This means they require more land or sea area to produce the same amount of energy. As a result, there is a constant race to create more efficient technologies that can extract more energy from these renewable sources. Cost is another hurdle. Although the price of renewable energy technologies has been dropping over the years, the initial investment can still be high. For instance, installing solar panels or wind turbines requires significant upfront costs, which can be a deterrent for many people and businesses. And let's not forget about the grid. Our current energy infrastructure was designed for centralized, stable power sources like coal plants, not fluctuating, decentralized sources like wind and solar. This means our grid needs to be modernized to accommodate these new energy sources, requiring further investment and planning. Lastly, there is the issue of social acceptance. Not everyone is on board with renewable energy. Some people worry about the visual impact of wind turbines or the land use required for large solar farms. Educating the public about the benefits of renewable energy and addressing their concerns is a crucial part of the transition to a sustainable future. Overcoming these obstacles requires not just technological innovation, but also supportive policy and legislation. It's clear that the road ahead is challenging, but with the right mix of creativity, commitment and cooperation, we can turn these challenges into opportunities for a brighter, more sustainable future. The future of renewable energy is not just in the hands of scientists and engineers. It's also deeply intertwined with government policies and research and development initiatives. Legislation can stimulate or stifle innovation, while properly funded R&D can bring groundbreaking ideas to life. But it's not just about the top-down approach. Public support and involvement are crucial. Each of us can play a part, whether it's choosing green energy options, advocating for sustainable practices, or simply spreading awareness. As we move forward, let's remember that the energy landscape is a shared responsibility. The future of our planet depends on our collective efforts to embrace and advance renewable energy. So where does this leave us? We've explored the crucial need for renewable energy, its diverse types, the exciting recent innovations, and the challenges we must overcome. Through policy and innovation, we're charting a course towards a vibrant, sustainable future. The future of renewable energy is bright, and with continued innovation and support, we can look forward to a sustainable, energy-efficient future.